the Jamaican National Pledge. In front of Master God and everybody in the world, me promise to serve me Jamaican people them with love and dedication in my heart, with good sense and without no fear for nothing in my mind, and with the strength and power in my body. Me promise to turn up for justice, for oneness with one another and for peace, for work hard and with originality, and for think of the good and kind to people and not trick nobody, so that Jamaica can, with God help, come out to be more and more better, somewhere where not top prosper, which part people live like one with them one another, and somewhere where people do fit them part to make life better for everybody in the world.
Created using Powtoon.